Just thought I'd show you guys a bit of a backup stage of the Mangrove Jack trailer that we got. We're just packing up to move campsite tomorrow, and yeah, I'll give you a bit of a rundown on how it packs up. And it actually all sits on the back of mum and dad's van. It's only 38 kilos and it's all made of aluminium. Pretty much has a pin that goes through with a spring load, and it's got a little flip thingy which I'll show you in a second, and that's pretty much how it's held together. And to prevent people stealing it, it's got locks that goes through it all the way. Awesome idea. That's pretty much it there. So you pop it through, and that preloads, and then that sits like that, and your lock goes through there. Alright, these are all the bits to the trailer. You've got your pins, the back piece, and all of this. And what happens is it sits just on the back of the van here. So I'm gonna place it all where it needs to go, and then I'll show you guys pretty much where it all sits. These bits, they just sit inside the box. So that's how it pretty much sits there. All packed away real neat on the back of the caravan. So your pins go through, your locks go through, and you wrap a bike lock around it, and it's all secure. It's not going to go anywhere. So highly recommend. It's a Mangrove Jack trailer. Highly recommend them. I could not recommend them enough. It's just probably one of the easiest boat trailers you could actually get. But yeah, I better get inside because it's starting to rain.